Okay, so isolve natin yung given differential equation 2 plus x y prime minus y equals 0. So maraming student ang nagtatanong sa akin dito sa problem na to kasi dalawang term lang daw yung lumalabas na sagot. Okay, yung iba is parang fraction pa daw. Okay, so check natin kung talagang dalawang term yung general solution nito. So first step is i-distribute muna natin tong y prime sa loob. So magiging 2y prime plus xy prime minus y equals 0. And then, substitute natin yung power series expression for y. Summation n equals 0 to infinity a sub n x raised to n. Dahil may y prime, i-derivative natin yung y. Summation n equals 1 to infinity n a sub n x raised to n minus 1. Okay, and then substitute natin 2 summation from n equals 1 to infinity n a sub n x raised to n minus 1 plus x summation from n equals 1 to infinity n a sub n x raised to n minus 1 minus summation from n equals 0 to infinity a sub n x raised to n equals 0. Okay, and then distribute natin yung 2 sa loob. Lagay natin yung 2 sa loob. And then, same thing for x. Then, rewrite natin. Summation n equals 1 to infinity 2n a sub n x raised to n minus 1 plus summation from n equals 1 to infinity n a sub n x raised to n na lang. Okay, bakit? Kasi x raised to n minus 1, dinistribute natin sa loob since same sila ng base. X may naka-ratio sa 1. So, magiging x raised to n minus 1 plus 1. Kaya naging x raised to n na lang. Minus summation from n equals 0 to infinity a sub n x raised to n equals 0. Okay, and then pagparehasin natin muna yung lahat ng exponent ng x. Dapat maging x raised to n sila. So, sa third term okay na. Sa second term okay na. Sa first term na lang, mag-a-add tayo ng 1 para makancel yung negative 1. So, mag-add tayo ng 1. Then sa lahat ng n, mag-add tayo ng 1. Maliban sa index, which is isusubtract natin yung the same amount. And then, rewrite natin. Summation n equals 0 na lang to infinity. 2n plus 1 a sub n plus 1 x raised to n na lang plus summation from n equals 1 to infinity n a sub n x raised to n minus summation from n equals 0 to infinity a sub n x raised to n equals 0. Next, nagawa na natin yung adjust exponent and then also sa index, but magkaiba pa rin, no? Kasi ito is 0, nag-start sa 1, ito is nag-start sa 0. So, yung technique nito is na-discuss ko na sa power series, case 2. Okay, ang gagawin nyo dito is yung pinakamaliit na index, which is in this case, itong first tsaka yung yung third pala. I-adjust natin dun sa pinaka-higher index, which is n equals 1. Okay, so ito is gagawin natin n equals 1. Ito is n equals 1. I-adjust natin. So, dito muna tayo sa first term. I-substitute natin yung n equals 0 sa loob. Magiging 2 times 1 a sub 1, x raised to 0 is just 1. Okay, plus, tigil na tayo sa pag-a-adjust dahil yung series mag-i-start na sa n equals 1. 2n plus 1 a sub n plus 1 x raised to n plus summation from n equals 1 to infinity n a sub n x raised to n minus, adjust tayo, substitute natin yung n equals 0 sa loob, magiging minus a sub 0 minus summation from n equals 0 to infinity a sub n x raised to n equals 0. Okay? Ay, sorry. 1 na pala to, no? Okay, mag-start na siya sa 1 kasi naglabas tayo ng series ng isang term pala dun sa series. Okay? So, factor out natin yung summation, din pagsamasamahin natin sa isang side yung coefficient. 2a sub 1 minus a sub 0 plus summation from n equals 1 to infinity x raised to n. And then, dito muna tayo sa series na to. 2n plus 1 a sub n plus 1. And then, ito naman, plus n a sub n. And then, yung last, minus a sub n equals 0. Okay, and then lahat ng coefficient equate natin sa 0. So ito, equate natin sa 0 equals 0. Then solve na rin natin yung a sub 1. A sub 1 equals a sub 0 over 2. Okay. Next, itong recursion formula natin. 2n plus 1 a sub n plus 1 plus n a sub n minus a sub n equals 0. Okay? And then solve natin yung higher index in terms of lower index, which is ito yung higher index natin, ito yung lower index natin. So higher index a sub n plus 1 equals transpose natin sa kabila. A sub n, factor out ko ni a sub n since common sila. No? And then, ano bang mangyayari dito? So, ito magiging positive, ito yung magiging negative. So, 1 minus n. Okay, tama ba? I think tama naman. Divided by 2n plus 1. So, ito yung recursion formula natin. And, magi-start tayo sa n greater than or equal to 0. Kasi, nasabi ko na rin yung technique dito. No? Yung pinakamaliit na index is n, which equate natin sa 0. So, mag-start tayo kay 0, pataas. Okay, so mag-generate na tayo ng coefficient. Start tayo kay n equals 0. Magiging a sub 1 equals a sub 0. 1 divided by 2, which is, ito na rin yun, no? Parehas din. Okay. Next, n equals 1. A sub 2 equals, I think magzi-0 to. A sub 1, kasi 1 times 1 is, 1 minus 1 pala is 0. And then, magiging, tama, 0 na to. N equals 2. A sub 3 equals a sub 2 negative 1 over 6. Since a sub 2 ay 0, 0 na rin to. Okay. Next, tingnan natin kung yung mga susunod pa ay 0 din. N equals 3, a sub 4 equals a sub 3. And then, negative 2 divided by 2 times 3 plus 1 is 4. A sub 3 is 0. Okay. Chain reaction siya. Magiging 0 na rin yung mga susunod. Okay. So, I think tama naman yung karamihan ng sagot ng mga students. Okay. General solution natin ay, sige, palitan ko yung kulay. General solution natin ay y equals a sub 0, a sub 1x, a sub 2x squared, a sub 3x cubed, and so on and so forth. So, I think nag-0 na siya mula a sub 3 pataas. No? A sub 3, a sub 4, and so on and so forth. Ay, a sub 2 rin pala. Okay, nag-0 din. 0 na to, 0 din. So, a sub 0 plus a sub 1, which is a sub 0 over 2. So, yun lang yung sagot natin. A sub 0 over 2x. Factor out lang natin yung a sub 0 para mas simplify yung sagot. 1 plus x over 2. Okay, yun yung sagot natin. Okay. So, ito yung general solution. Okay. I hope this problem is clear. And thank you for listening and God bless.